How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube at once. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. Look for the three dots at the top right. Give them a click. Look for extensions in the menu and hover your mouse cursor on it. Once you're in extensions, there's an option to visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. In the Chrome Web Store, there's a search bar. Type in YT Watch Later Assist and hit enter. You'll find the extension you need. Click on Add to Chrome. A little window will pop up. It's asking if you're sure about adding the extension. You are, so go ahead and click Add Extension. Now, give it a moment. Let Chrome do its thing and add the extension. It's pretty quick. Time to head to YouTube. Type youtube.com in the address bar and hit enter. On your YouTube homepage, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Look for Watch Later and click on it. Oh, here's the magic button. On the Watch Later page, look for Remove All Videos and click on it. Sit back and relax. The extension will take care of the rest, automatically removing all your Watch Later videos. And there you have it. Your Watch Later playlist is now cleared with just a few clicks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.